Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Watch this video.
Molweni Betuna, I hope you guys are good. I just want to speak on a matter that has really been bothering my heart. And I know that there'll be a lot of people disagreeing with me on this matter. I just want to ask, because there's this lady we all know, and she is so against foreign nationals. She so claims for it to be illegal, foreigners, but you can see it's just foreigners in total. And that is not just her, but it's just us as black people. I know most of it is just, they just don't like foreigners. Now she's always complaining, man, and creating marches with regards to foreigners and whatsoever. But guys, for me, I still don't understand how a person can just be so invested in such things that you just want other people not to be in your country. Guys, I think I see things differently. I don't want to see things in a political view, because if you see things in a political view, no one owns anything. We are all under the same sky. Sky sangapha Nigeria si green, esalapha si orange. We are all under the same blue sky. We are all under the same sky. Why do you hate other foreigners so much? But the thing that baffles me the most is that you only hate black foreigners like you. And the only dumb excuse that you get from these people that they will give you is the fact that no, these people, they add so much crime rate. They add to our crime rate. They kill. And our people killing children. And our black Xhosa men. These people, these Sotho guys, every South African J. Aren't they killing? You go to court, you find out there was a rape incident. They were raped by who? Black South African men. There's all these cases. Oscar whatever killed his wife. They are South African. These things happen with or without them. They're coming and selling drugs. Taluvos but drugs. They look shin. What are you guys talking about? There is crime with or without them. So why would you say that? And why do you have so much hate towards Ababamnyama? Because if you're talking spitting facts, most white people in general that are here in South Africa, they are not from here. We were colonized. We were colonized by white people. They did not belong in Africa, nor South Africa. But you get other people. We don't like it. They would about be complaining like abalungu, be foreigners. You would never hear anyone calling people abamhlophe foreigners, but you're busy calling abantu abamnyama njengawe foreigners, and you're fighting them tooth and nail. Why? Why, Ninja? Why can't you as long as you always fighting these people as if this person is living in their own apartment. No. Say, for my people. For my people, or are you just trying to create chaos? Are you really trying to create a peace, or are you just trying to create a chaos? I don't know. And the fact that it's a woman who's just standing for this, they will say, they came here, they took over our country, and they build shops. Who stopped you from having your own shop? This is a conversation we're not ready to have as South Africans. Who stopped you from having your own shop? They're creating these shops because they're business minded. They know what brings them money. Who said don't create your own shop? We want to be lazy and don't do nothing. And then when other people come here and do businesses in our country, we want to speak. But Never, you guys are complaining for ispaza shops, for that matter, that are owned by Somalians and whatever. Forgetting that there's white men from America, England, all these places owning mine dondons here, mine companies in South Africa. But you are busy fighting Zimbabweans, fighting Congolese, Nigerians. Why? These things makes me so angry. It makes me so angry. It makes me so angry, guys. Why, Niji? Why are foreigners only black people? Are you not black? Are you not black? So what if they want to stay here in South Africa? Don't we have abantwana bethu or our peers who are in South Korea, who are in China, who are in America? They are teaching there. They are staying in other people's countries. Don't we have our people who are staying there? Nango Speech or whoever, they're staying in other people's countries. We have so many people who are staying in other countries. Charles Theron, why is South Africa? Elon Musk usemazweni uyi-foreigner kwenye indawo, but you never hear people calling him a foreigner because I got ayingwapha. But now we're just focusing on calling other black people like us foreigners. Oh no, they're taking over our schools, they're finishing our schools. That's true, you're right. Oh, Bazalaka Kulu, we don't give birth. So what? So what? So what, guys, if they do that? At the end of the day, everything works out for everyone. Umntana makafumana ngasikolo this month. At the end of the day, uzotufumana isikolo. If it's uzotufumana, yes, it's hard to find schools for everyone, but uzotufumana, and it's not because of foreigners only. You wanna fight other people so much, and the thing is, for me, who has in both sides of the world and get to understand, you guys don't understand half of the things that these people have to go through. If you go like you always hear people who have traveled in all of Africa say South Africa is the best country compared to all the other African countries that they see, the living conditions there. So of course it makes sense why they want to come to South Africa and come because it's what they can afford at least. Because trust me, other people, there are Nigerians, Congolese in Canada. Have you ever had Canada babies? Because but black people have this hatred. This hatred. I don't know when. Like guys, if people are doing something wrong, it's wrong. Foreigner or not, deal with it the same way. Deal with it the same way. Everything that happens in South Africa, it's all gonna be it's foreigners here. What's wrong with you guys? What do these people do to you that your people don't do to you? Bangcolile nama-Nigeria ayathakatha abathakatha omakhulu benu nabantu nje akuthakatha apha. Intakatho iqala ngabo, oh they sebenzisa isichitho anichithani nani kuzangoma. It's like I don't understand. You guys are busy fighting abantu who don't have the same power. Like you are fighting abantu who are helpless. Busy abantu kuthiwa eJoburg, other foreigners cannot even go to esibhedlela. People must die because you guys are trying to fight for your country, but someone must die in the process. Why are you trying to create peace by kukhona abantu abafayo in the process? What the hell is that? You're busy trying to fight abantu abengenzinto. These people own ispaza shops. These people own saloon, like saloon. You're fighting them, they are striving for themselves. But white people who came and colonized this country, our kind, they can't even afford rent. Right? Rent is so expensive because it accommodates white people only. They have companies, big companies. We are hired by them in our own country. But we are busy fighting for abantu abamnyama bahluphe who just came to try to find life ekhantini yethu instead of abafike bathatha izinto ekhantini yethu. You guys don't even regard abantu amhlophe as foreigners, but regard abantu abamnyama only. as foreigners. Why? I cannot stress this enough. I cannot stress this enough. I don't act like there will be no reason under this earth. Understand the guy about why are you guys so against foreigners? Or by a papa, they think this is their country. So what? Is this their country? No, they are just here. Are they killing you? No, if they are, even your black people are killing you as well. Yo.
This lady right here decided to take to a TikTok to share her own perspective when it comes to foreigners in South Africa. And what she said really stood out to me because she is only spitting out facts. Nami, I don't understand why these people are fighting so much and only black foreigners, not white foreigners. And it's too much, man. It's too much because now I've realized, oh, no, they're not only fighting undocumented foreigners, they are fighting every foreigner. As long as you're a foreigner, it really does not matter whether you have your documents ready or whatever. They will fight with you. When they go to the hospitals, when they get there, they don't ask if you do have documents or anything. They will just tell you, hey, if you are not from South Africa, just stand up and leave. Stand up and leave. And just thinking about it, it's so sad. It's really, really so sad because how can I chase someone away, someone who needs help, someone who medical help, and I say no because you are not from South Africa. Like, yeah, guys, but this lady right here, she's telling the truth. We are just under these clouds. Like, we are visitors here. Everyone is just a visitor. That's why when you die, you don't even need your ID. You don't need your ID because we are all visitors. When we die, it's done. It is done. And guys, this topic is just too much and a lot is happening right now on social media. Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about what this lady said?